I will only be behind the camera for today. I felt so crappy yesterday. I don't know, I think I ate something that didn't agree with me. To be 100% honest, I was in the bathroom all day. Just enjoy the sound of my voice and take a sneak peek at my fake Demi shirt that I got after one of her concerts. Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing a video showing you how to get this DIY vanity under $100. So if you want to know how I got this, keep watching. So let's start with the drawers. The drawers I actually purchased from Michael's. I really got lucky. They were on sale for I think $40, and then I had a coupon for 30% off of anything, so even sale price. Gosh, I don't remember exactly how much everything came to. I'll put it in the video. I really got lucky with them, and definitely my advice, if you buy them from Michael's, definitely go with somebody else, because you know their coupons are only you know, per item. It's not like off the total. So definitely go with somebody and you buy one and have your friend buy the other. So when I went, they actually told me they didn't have any in stock. And when I had checked online, they said they did have them in stock. I was like, you know, can you check in the back, please? Like, maybe you have them in the back. And sure enough, they had them in the back. Now, the most important part that really makes it, you know, obviously look like a vanity table is this top piece. This is like a wood shelf, I think it's called, or a closet shelf. I don't know. But I purchased this from Lowe's for $10 to $12. I'll post exactly the price in the video. But yeah, really simple. So I'll show you what's in the drawers. Keep in mind it's pretty messy. I really haven't organized it yet. So this side is my makeup and this side is my hair. So in this top drawer I have everything like eyeshadow related. Eyeshadow palettes, my favorite, the Kat Von D eyeshadow. Just a bunch of random things. I got this from Gen Beauty. I really like it. It's the Essence All About Chocolate eyeshadow palette. And my eyeshadow primer. This has no cover. So in the next drawer, I have everything face related, I guess. I have my MAC Fix Plus. I just have like highlighters. I have foundation, concealer, my blenders, more primer. Okay, so this one is probably the most organized. This is all my eyebrow stuff and mascara. My eyelash curler. I like these. I don't know why I didn't get more at the time. These are actually from Target. They were 2 for $3, which is really good. I don't know why I didn't get more, and now I can't find them anymore, which sucks. It was like in the dollar section. The next drawer, it's messy. Ugh. This is a bunch of I guess face cleansing stuff, makeup wipes, just cotton pads, Albaline, just lotions, Vaseline. I have some masks. I have this in here, I don't know why. The next one is really messy. I'm kind of, oh, there you go. It's just a bunch of like cords and chargers and stuff. I'm moving to the other side. I have all my developers. I am a hairstylist. I do mainly weddings, but I also do colors and cuts and stuff, and I work from home or I travel to my client. So I have all my developers for when I use light hair, purple shampoo. Let's see. The next drawer, I just have some colors, hair dyes, color remover, plastic caps, a timer. The next drawer, this is kind of messy, but I just have some brushes, water bottle. That's basically it. This is basically like some of my round brushes. The next drawer is just some of my tools. This was my flat iron, my blow dryer, curling irons. Why is this in here? This is my blow up primer. What is this? Oh, this is my daughter's soccer medal. I don't know why that's in there, but I'm gonna keep it in there anyway. I don't know why the both bottom drawers are really messy, but this one is really messy. I'll give you a sneak peek. But this is basically just nail polishes and stuff. And in the back is actually like junk. Up here I have just some clear drawers. I actually have a DIY video of this. I'll post this somewhere in the video or down below. This one is mine and this one is my daughter's. So up here I just have some lipsticks, lip gloss, and then inside I just have more lip glosses, liquid lipsticks. Yeah, see, this one I tried to like organize a little bit. Over here I have all my brushes. I actually got this little bowl from the dollar store and these little gems. I actually took a centerpiece from our wedding home and they had these, she had these little crystals in them, so I kind of put these in here. I just kind of have a perfume sitting on it. I purchased this from Target for $1, which is really good. And this is my daughter's perfume. Up here I just have some of my falsies. And then up here, I don't know, it's just random stuff. Like perfume that's almost empty. I also have a DIY video on this. It was really easy to build. Like I built it myself, and that's saying a lot because I hate putting things together, and I did it pretty easily. I haven't organized it too much just because I wanted like a little vanity just to put all my stuff together. But I really, really wanted like those impressions vanities because they're so beautiful. Oh my god! But we live in an apartment building right now, and we're looking for a house. So I really didn't want to like invest in something like that. That's why I haven't really like organized it or made it look really nice. Because when we move, this is most likely gonna go to my daughter in her room. It's really cute. I mean, the price is like amazing. You really can't beat it for what I got everything for. I think this is a great option if you want a cute vanity table but without like spending the big bucks. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.